Because now the bigger question would be that whatever he does, how does this impact the voters before 2014? And as Paronjoy was talking about his track record, whether it's Uttar Pradesh or Punjab or Bihar, his track record has, doesn't leave much to write home about. The second part, that does he have the dedication to carry it to the end? After every election defeat, it is said that instead of introspection, he packs up his bags and goes abroad. So that perhaps would require a change from within him and within the party, that impression?
Of course, that will be very important, that he has to be very consistent. I think the biggest takeaway of today's little interaction that Rahul Gandhi has had with journalists is that it is a decision which he has taken on his own. That I have now decided that I'll play a bigger role. And all this while, whenever this question was put to, say, Sonia Gandhi or a Prime Minister Manmohan Singh or any senior Congress leadership, they used to say that he has to play and he's a future leader, but the timing will be decided by him. So it always came across that even while he was there, he was not fully there.
Yeah.
And that was what perhaps Salman Khurshid meant when he mentioned cameos. That he was there, he was in politics, but was not fully committed because he wanted to bide his time. And you know that the couple of conversations that I have had with him, way back in 2004 when he had just joined politics, that was the one thing which I always recall is that he used to say that I will decide my timings. I will not be hurried up, I will not be pushed into anything, and I will do my own brand of politics. Much has changed since then, and I haven't really been speaking to him these last couple of years. But the important takeaway is that he has decided, and I think definitely party role is important. But I think the big issue will be that if he joins the government, I think he'll definitely join the government.
Well, that is a direct voter impact comes.
And what will be the post? So will he be given a portfolio, high-profile portfolio where he can send in a message? Maybe. Maybe he will be a minister in the Prime Minister's office, because that would give him an opportunity to see the functioning of the entire government, be hands-on, really become an understudy to the Prime Minister, see how the government functions, and also in some ways he is then kept away from the likely flack, if any, or criticism if he is given a department. So while he can take a bigger picture, holistic view, at the same time and project himself as a Prime Minister in waiting and understand more, there is this always the Congress.
They will continue to poo-poo him perhaps.
Shield him a little bit.